Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for watching this video. This is Medina at night. It's almost lively and it's packed with food stalls with all different cuisines and all different tastes. Enjoy.
Very colourful, man. Some lovely spices in Marrakech, Morocco, out for sale in Medina at night. Salam Habibi. Alhamdulillah. You okay, yeah? Good. Yeah, we're just there, just taking it around, you know? Thank you. No brother, family sitting there, bro. Thank you. People having a lovely time around here. It basically comes alive at 5 o'clock at night, as per the locals. Yeah, there's quite a variety of foods available around here. Well, from couscous to tagines and all that. Thank you. So yeah, I'm loving it at the moment. So we're looking forward for a good holiday. We'll see how it goes. Thank you.
Yummy. Now it's time to tuck in. Thanks for watching the video. Hope you enjoyed it. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.